Hello everyone. Welcome to At Nehul's. Happy Holi. Holi is a popular Hindu Indian festival, also known as the Festival of Colors or Festival of Spring. For me, Holi indicates the arrival of spring after winter. At Nehul's, Puran Puli is a must have for Holi celebration. Puran Puli is a very famous Maharashtrian dish. Puran means sweet lentil stuffing and poli means bread. The main ingredients of this recipe are chana dal and jaggery. We will use these two ingredients to make sweet lentil stuffing. The sweet element in the stuffing is jaggery. If you like, you can replace jaggery with sugar. My mom makes the stuffing with sugar. My mother in law uses jaggery. To be honest, I love both the stuffing, but my husband likes puran made with jaggery. Chana dal is also called as split chickpeas or Bengal gram. Jaggery is unrefined sugar that is made from sugar cane juice. To make poli, we need whole wheat flour, salt, oil, and water. I do not have water here. We need ghee or clarified butter. Let's make the puran. I washed chana dal well in water and soaked for 4 hours. You should soak it at least half an hour, 2 hours so it cooks well. I pressure cooked chana dal in instant pot for half an hour. You can use pressure cooker and cook the chana dal for 6 to 7 whistles. The dal is ready and cooked well. Let's strain the dal so that all dal water is drained. I'm going to keep this dal water aside and will make katachi amti, which I will serve with puran puli and rice. You can make this puran or stuffing on stove top, but I'm going to use microwave. Combine cooked chana dal and jaggery. Stir it and microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After every 2 to 3 minutes, stir it well. This process takes at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, puran becomes dry. Let's transfer the puran into a plate. Now let's use standing mixture to make poli dough. Take whole wheat flour, add salt and mix it well. Add water and mix it. After a few minutes, dough is ready. Keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now puran's mixture is cool. You do not need to use any potato masher or food processor to make this puran, and that's why I love to make it in the microwave. Let's make poli now. Take medium-sized bowl from dough. Roll it 2 to 3 inches on a dusted dry floor rolling board. Place a portion of medium-sized puran bowl in the center of the rolled dough. Bring the edges together towards the center. Join all the edges and pinch them. Now sprinkle some flour and start rolling the poli gently. Make a large circle poli. Now place this poli to heated tawa or griddle. Roast it. When one side gets brown, turn over and cook the other side till you see the brown spots. Our poli is ready to serve. Serve this puran poli with ghee. You can serve it with milk too. I have our thali ready for Holi special lunch. I have made potato chi bhaji, katachi amti, rice, koshambir or cucumber raita, and mango pickle. Thank you. I hope you loved this easy puran puli recipe. Stay safe and healthy.